on sharing everything with you. Go on then.
There's so many ways to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You just gotta trust the right. Don't have to be scary. You just gotta follow the light. You're able to be happy. You can do whatever you like.
On the way to the park today, we thought we'd show you the outside of the Sequoia Lodge Hotel and part of the Disney Village.
Hold my hand and hear the words I say. Close your eyes and let us fade away. Build a secret place for you and me. Let our minds be caught up in a dream. Quiet voices in the night. Time is running out of sight. A lonely wind is passing by. Tries to carry all the whispers that it finds. The walls are listening when we talk, making echoes as we walk. There's no one left but you and me. It's like a made-up place that only we can see. Hold my hand and hear the words I say. You got a smile that makes the sun rise. You make it shine. But I can see that you don't realize, and that's what made me fall in love. 'Cause you got style, the way your body makes my heart beat sound. It's amazing all the time. You are the only thing I need in life.
We're now waiting for the Disney Railroad train.
Show me what it's like to be circling among the clouds. Because without you by my side, I would be stuck here on the ground. You're lighting up the way, I can see the road ahead of me. I won't be stumbling in the dark. Your eyes are shining like the stars. I was down until you saved me, until you set me free. My eyes were closed, now I see clear as day. And I just wanted to say that you can take me high. Feels like I can fly. You can take me high. I can see the sun staring at you when you make that smile. I'm moving closer to you now. I can't get close enough somehow. And I was down until you saved me, until you set me free. My eyes were closed, now I see clear as day. And I just wanted to say that you can take me high. Feels like I can fly.
A morning framed by golden sunlight. A morning close friends travel together.
so happy to be meeting Piglet and Rabbit.
Something's in the air. I can feel it everywhere. Every color seems to bloom, and there's light in every room. Now they're looking.
It's so lovely to meet Eeyore and Tigger now too.
But now the sun is rising, and we're new people. Let's be new people. There's summer. Don't let me down, down, down.
Mad Hatter and Alice now.
Aiming for the sky. Everyone got stories.
Off to the studios for now. Lunchtime.
Just crispy veggie. With mustard too.
That's strawberry. Your mouse enjoying that?
Yeah.
Nice bit of mustard there on your lips. Is it good?
It's incredible.
Really happy to be on the Cars Tours ride.
I have found a place out of time and space, far from city lights, up on greater heights. See the blue sky, feel the wind that blows. Get the rush in, heaven only knows. I'm all alone, still lying far from lonely. On a journey, on a winding road. Got tired of the running, the catching up. I got hungry for the sunny, high mountain tops. So I made some plans.
RC Racer.
To find my path, see the planet from greater heights. I have found
Ratatouille ride. It's so lovely to be meeting Jessie and Woody.
She kept dreaming of a world big enough for everyone. But she knew it must rain before it grows. She kept dreaming of the day butterflies survive the wheel. Hold on a bit more, 'cause I know you only see the rain, not the rainbow. Deep down, I know you're strong. Give them hell, baby, prove them wrong. Just hold on a bit more, 'cause I know you only see the rain, not the rainbow. I know you'll get up again. Better stand up tall, I know you can be.
Back at the hotel for tea time.
Raindrops ride the waves of every storm. I thought our love was always worth fighting for. I'm standing on an empty rooftop, finding out where to begin. Time to let go, give up, give in.
Back in the main park to do some more rides before Disney Dreams.
Don't ever let it change. No matter where we go, no matter where it ends.
really can't wait for the Electrical Sky Parade to start and Disney Dreams. The next part of the video will contain flashing images.
Come to shine when it's dark from so far away, show us where we are. What makes the sun go to sleep every night, and what's it dreaming of? I wonder. How come the sky sometimes hides behind the clouds? Maybe it's just like me, a little bit scared of heights. Why does the rain always keep on pouring down when it's gray outside? It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. It really makes me wonder. Ooh, I wonder. How come the trees get undressed when it's cold? And don't they miss the leaves they left behind? Could it be? I set out on a road that I built with my own two hands. I met friends on the way, people chosen to make a stand. I felt strong in the sun as I walked onto pastures green. Saw forgiveness together, spaces in between. And I'll be with you through the night. And I'll turn every wrong to right. Baby, we're children of summer, we're meant to be free. Hearted, we're not like the others, no reason to be. And my ventures, they brought me to places I've never been. But you can walk through this world without a few punches upon your chin. I think I lost you somewhere between 20 and 23. But I still hold you dear despite the heartbreak you caused in me. 'Cause you were with me through my...
I will walk on glass. I will run 10,000 miles and more. I will give my eyes. If you lost your sight, I will run through fire. I will carry you.
Some kind of wonderful, some kind of magical woman. My love's for real. I need to show you right now. Take a look at me now. I can't explain for the life of me what you did to me when I met you last summer. You set me free, you believed in me. Now you're here with me and we're walking on cloud nine. I'm wide awake and the step that I take is the same.
Thank you so much everyone for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. It helps so much. Comments really do help a lot too, and we always love hearing from you. If you are new and enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing under the video or at the end of the video. It is free, and press notification bell so you're notified when we post new videos. This time in the comments, we'd love so much to know if you enjoyed coming along with us. We really can't wait to see you all here again very soon. Bye! Take care!